Welcome back in Portugal at the Lonesome Hill. I've made a bunch of recycled box guitars by now and I want to display them a bit better than I do now. It's becoming a bit of a mess in our little studio from all kinds of things that are standing around, and so I want to hang them on the wall. The problem is that the normal wall mounts that you use for a guitar won't work because all the headstocks are different. And sometimes they have, a stick on the bottom of the guitar where the bridge is. Sometimes it's an axe handle or something that sticks out. So I've made a sketch in SketchUp, which I'm not really good at. And I came to the conclusion that if I want to hang them on the wall, I've got to make some kind of painter's easels. So I'm going to make a prototype out of some old wood, see if that works, and if it works then, well, I'll make a bunch, maybe 8 or 10 out of a bit of better wood. Welcome back in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. That fits, so the angle is right. So the idea is to just screw this to the wall, then it's in an angle. I've got about 4 centimeters from the wall, so if there are tuners going to the back, there's room for them. And the maximum box that fits on there is 8 centimeters. That was the widest box I have so far. And then I've got to find a way to, when the neck is in here, to somehow make sure that it doesn't fall out, because they're going to be high up on the wall. So this will work. This is standing about 2.5 degrees, 3 degrees backwards, so the whole guitar is standing backwards. Then neck falls in there. Well, and a solution for that part. Maybe it doesn't have to be that big, and maybe I could just use an elastic band around it or something, but that isn't really beautiful. So what makes a good presentation? Let's think about it. I've got 8 of these base plates ready, and you know what I'm going to do with them? They look crap. I shouldn't work from a drawing and then find materials for it. I should work the other way around. Look what's laying around and then adjust the design towards that. So let's try something different. Parts are ready, sanded, and time to glue them up. It's easier to come up with something with stuff that you have laying around in the workshop, so let's see. I'll start with the little brackets for the tops. It's just a 9mm dowel, 9mm holes, so shouldn't be too difficult to get them in. different from the prototype, but I think they turned out well. Just using the leftovers that were in the workshop and 2 broomsticks cut into the dowels, and then 9mm dowels on the top. I'm gonna hang them on the wall in the studio and see if all the recycled box guitars will fit in, but I think they will. I might make a little Velcro whatever around here so I can actually secure them so they will never fall off. And yeah, let's see. Well, that worked out fine. They actually hang well and all the guitars fit in. I made that Velcro stuff around the back of the wall mount so it doesn't fall off when I open them, but it gives me extra security. It isn't really necessary because they keep in there pretty good, but I think it's better to have a little safety feature on there. So that's it for now. Finished. Do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. Look for stuff first before you make a plan. It just works better. And see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.